Hi, and welcome to Happy Sewing. In this tutorial, we are making a hoodie vest for kids. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Happy Sewing. The tools we need to make this hoodie vest are pins, clips, glue pen, scissors, rotary cutter, and the fabric. We start with cutting the pieces according to the pattern. I used a Happy Sewing pattern, and I'll tell you more about our pattern later. We cut one back piece, one front piece, 2 shoulder ribbons, 2 hood parts for the lining, and 2 more for the outer hood. The next step is the shoulder seam. We place the back piece and the front piece on top of each other with the wrong way out. We apply 2 clips on each shoulder and sew the seam. We can use any sewing machine for these seams, so we went for a Baby Lock Victory Serger. Step 3 is attaching the 2 ends of the bottom ribbon to each other. We are going to join the hood parts so that we have one outer hoodie and one hood lining. We make a seam on the back of the inner and outer hood. We sew these seams on the wrong side out. We place the shoulder rib with the right side against the opening and the vest the wrong side out. We place the center of the ribbon first and work ourselves outward. If you get any excess ribbon, you can remove it before sewing the ribbon in place. We fold the ribbon to the wrong side of the vest, and we apply clips and sew it. This seam is going to be visible. We will use the Baby Lock cover stitch machine. The thread is gray to match the hoodie lining. With the shoulder ribbon in place, we can do the side seam. It's pretty straightforward. We turn the vest the wrong way out so that we can get the seams on the inside of the vest. I apply clips, and I add some glue as a precaution before we sew the seams. One of the last steps, step 6, is to mount the bottom ribbon. We fold the ribbon so that the right side is visible, and we place the ribbon inside the vest. While the vest is the wrong side out, I like to apply clips to get the fold perfect, and then include the vest in the clips. We match the side seam with the seam we made on the ribbon. We then sew all the way around. Step 7 and last step is to install the hoodie. But first, we have to join the inner and outer hoodie lining. Put the hood lining inside, make sure that the back seams are visible, and we are going to turn the hood the right way out before we install the hood in the vest. If you want to install string on the vest, we have to do it now before we mount the hood to the vest and close the opening. We are finally ready to mount the hood. We turn the hood the right way out and the vest the wrong way out. We then place the hood inside the vest. We secure it with clips and sew it. We fasten any loose threading, and the vest is complete. If you want to make a vest using the pattern, you can go to happysewing.com. I will leave a link in the description. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Happy Sewing. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!